Hey, this is Jonathan, and I'm not starting from IntelliJ today. Oh no. So, whatever happened last time, well, I guess I can just show it right here. So, I set up Travis CI just to try it, and first thing that happened is it failed to run custom build command for this crate, I believe. And essentially, the problem comes from here. So, for Windows, it seems like I actually don't have to install anything extra, but for Ubuntu or Fedora, this kind of becomes a problem. And I would not be surprised if Travis here was using some form of Ubuntu or some, Linux distro. So, yeah, this could be a problem. I really don't know how this is going to work. So we're gonna do a bit of trying to figure this stuff out. Travis CI, I guess. What am I gonna look up? Install, or I guess I should look up operating system. Is there like a default? Because I want to know what was the... Oh, by default... Okay, the default infrastructure is container-based Ubuntu. Got it. What? Okay. So add sudo false to your .travis.yaml. Sudo enabled infrastructure. Okay. Interesting. So I'm not running in a virtual machine. Spoilers. No, seriously, I'm not running in a virtual machine. If you have tests that need to run Mac OS, or you probably use Swift or Objective-C, then you can use the OS X environment. Interesting. Alright. So, by default, it's using Ubuntu. That's the important part. Okay. Then we need to solve this problem. So I know which command needs to be run, at least. I need to somehow install this dependency. Okay. Travis CI install dependencies. Okay, there we go. I feel like I just literally read something mentioning this, and I may have glossed over it, but I'm at the right page anyway, so doesn't really matter. Okay. Ah. So if I did this, I would be able to get everything I need. Interesting. So I might have to do an apt-get update as well. Okay. Fascinating. I don't think I needed to worry about anything else here. Okay, I can totally just do this. So I'll just add an entry, I guess, for this sudo command. I'm not going to use this sudo command, obviously, but I'll use the one that they provided me on the Amethyst page, since they were oh so kind enough to do so. Alright, there we go. take this, put it right here, and we should be good to go. So I'm gonna have to play with the I'm gonna have to like make the commit and push this, and I don't really want to do that on camera right now, so I'll try this out later and we'll see what happens. Yeah, but for now, I'm gonna consider this resolved and move on. What's this? Is this a... Oh, that's a new build project icon. Okay, interesting. I'm still getting used to the new IntelliJ UI. I didn't download or like update IntelliJ for a while, so a lot of this stuff is super different from what I remember. Just UX wise. Honestly, the rest of the application seems mostly the same. But anyway, last time I was trying to make all this stuff work, and I don't think I got very far. I remember now, I was kind of faffing about and I didn't really do much. I wanted to at least get something like this going without, you know... Yeah, so I commented out some stuff just to make sure that things would build when I made my commit and push to Travis CI. Or, not, I didn't push it to Travis CI, well, I pushed to GitHub and then and wanted to test Travis CI. But it didn't really help much, obviously, as we saw. Yeah, last time I decided I'm gonna stick with 0.8.0. I haven't changed my mind since, so I'm still doing that. I want to see what kind of build errors I'm going to get. So this is the test. I don't really care about the test. I want to just try running main. Let's see the errors. There's going to be a bunch of them, I'm sure. This one's definitely going to be one of them, because this doesn't exist anymore. So I'm going to have to look at the Pong example that they posted on the Amethyst repo. And yeah, wrong number of type arguments for state. Expected 1, found 0. So it's probably expecting not a type argument. Well, actually, it might be expecting a type argument, like the game data type. Yeah, that's possible. But for now, we're going to resolve this one by changing the environment variable, I believe, if I remember correctly. Thankfully, I'm already on the Amethyst page, so I don't have to worry too much about going out of my way to resolve this. I mean, not that looking up Amethyst on GitHub is particularly hard, but the extra little convenience of having this already open is nice. That's pretty much all I can really say. And this is the new version, that's right, I am bad at this. How am I gonna get out of here? I want to get the version that I was on yesterday. This one. I want to be on this guy. Give me... was it this? I think it was this and then browse files. Yes, that's exactly what it was. Wow, look at how many stars this project has now. It really has taken off since I first started this. I don't remember exactly when I first started, but I think it was around like either 100 or 200 stars. Like, wow, this is just kind of like skyrocketed. It's crazy. Anyway, let's see. Right, Pong, main. They have this environment cargo manifest directory. I'm going to be doing that. I hope that environment variable is set, because if it isn't, then I guess I'm going to go and change that. I hope it also recognizes this. Yes, it does. At least it looks like it does. You can never tell with this plugin because it's not quite finished. I believe the IntelliJ Rust plugin is actually still in alpha? If it is an alpha, it's pretty darn usable alpha, I'll say. Certainly has helped me out quite a bit already. Alright, so that resolves, or at least in theory, that should resolve that issue. Let's check. Okay, yep, that seems okay. So you're a problem. How do I resolve you? Probably by going here and checking, yep, it's game data. So it still has the 2 lifetimes. Yeah. Should have seen that coming. Alright, 2 lifetimes there. I don't want to do anything right now, so I'm going to just leave all this blank. And maybe we'll just do... Well, do we have to do this? I don't know. I mean, it's probably easier to do this. From what I saw in the later version of Amethyst, this isn't going to be a thing anymore. We're not going to have to do this handle event or this update. So, actually, I don't even think I need to do the update right now. Probably I'm okay to just leave it as default. In fact, I don't know. Can I try leaving this as default and see what happens? Because I guess I haven't really tried, right? Oh. No logger detected. And it just closes. Okay. So I have a bunch of warning. Oh, that's because these are currently only being used by the tests. That's right. Okay, so it warns me about things at runtime. Cool. Well, I mean, it warns me about additional things at runtime. Do I need a logger? I feel like they might want me to have a logger. Yeah, okay, let's just get rid of that warning. Settle that right here, right now. You want a logger? I'll give you a logger. There you go. Not sure if it's gonna pick that up. I think that's okay though. Yeah, let's run that again. So it shouldn't give me that warning anymore. But it sure as heck didn't do much. Yeah, that kind of did nothing. Probably because I'm not actually running the game. Let me, game.run here. Yeah, here. Game.run. That's exactly what I need. Uh-oh. I am missing a trait. I am definitely missing a trait. Oh wait, for type result. Oh, hi. Hello. I need to call .build. Duh. I'm not done yet. Well, I guess we can use the same frame limit strategy or whatever. See where that goes. It's fine, I guess. Oh. Okay, where do they get duration from? That's probably from like standard time? Yeah, there we go. It's pretty obvious. Do I want it to be 144 or do I want to use my frame limit that I have here? I don't know. That seems like what I would want to do, but I have no idea. And also I don't have a game data, so I can't really pass that in. So I need a game data, otherwise I can't build. So game data will be a game data builder default with a bunch of bundles. And a basic render, okay. Yeah, probably just gonna do a this. This will probably be sufficient. I don't think I need all the other stuff. And Presumably this will be in the prelude, so I don't have to worry about, yeah, extra imports or anything. Okay. Now do you run? Nope. Frame limit strategy is not recognized. Okay. Frame limit strategy comes from... Oh, okay. Amethyst core frame limiter. Well, I don't need to do that. I can just use the new fancy syntax. Oops. Press the wrong button. And oops, I also typed the wrong thing there. That should be fine. Yeah, there we go. No method named with frame limit found for type. Oh, result. Is this still a result? Do I have to question mark that? Yes, I do. Okay. Didn't realize that was... Okay. This probably also is question marked, isn't it? No, it's not. Okay. So this doesn't return a result. Good to know. Good to know. Really? Something about that doesn't seem right. Because didn't I literally just encounter that? I did. And what? Wait. Yes, it's complaining about this. Specifically this. If function returns result or option. Really? It doesn't? Because I'm pretty sure it was like 2 seconds ago. Like, I'm not going crazy, am I? If I do this, it's gonna complain about this being a result, right? Yeah. Because with frame limit is not a method for result. So what? Like, I definitely have to do that. I just saw that right here. Yeah, like this is exactly what I'm supposed to do. So that's kind of interesting. What am I missing? Is it... No, that doesn't make sense, does it? Because this is just returning a result that wraps a unit, and they just put it here at the end. That shouldn't affect any of this logic. No, I'm not sure. I'm not sure at all. Okay, well... Yeah, what the heck? Alright. I am very, very confused. What am I missing? I must have missed something. There's no reason that this should be happening. Am I missing like an import or something? Doesn't look like it. Like, obviously I'm not using all these imports, but I wouldn't expect to have to import anything additional here. It looks identical. it looks identical, doesn't it? Like, it does an application build. I gave it the assets directory, and I gave it the initial state, which is this Mini-rando. And this is like, and Pong is their initial state, right? Like, I'm not going crazy. Pong is a state. Pong has to be a state. It's definitely a state. Okay. So that's bizarre because, okay, never mind. Let's read the errors. Let's see what it says. Let's do another run. Question mark operator can only be used in a function that returns. Oh, I see. Main is the function in question. The question mark operator can only be used in a function that returns result or option. So, because main is our function, I have to actually, yeah, I actually do need to return an amethyst result. Why is this an amethyst result? Isn't there like a regular result type in Rust? I could have sworn there was. Result, Rust. There is. There's a standard result. But it has 2 parameters. 2 type parameters. This one only has 1. Okay, that's bizarre. I guess they decided to have their own result implementation? I can't really understand why you'd do that, though. Yeah, that's just kind of strange. Not really sure why you'd do that. Can I... Is this recognized if I don't have the amethyst in front of it? No, that's just a standard result. Ah, and I don't think I want to mix those two up. I should definitely keep this amethyst in front. Because otherwise, yeah, I'm gonna get this result mixed up with the standard result. Okay. And of course it needs to return a result, so that's why they do this. Understood. I actually don't really understand how this question mark operator works. But apparently I can only use it in a function that returns result. My guess is that if this fails, if there's an error, it'll break out of this logic entirely, returning the error instead of this OK, and that's what will end up here. That's what will end up being returned. So, yeah, that's, and if it's OK, it just continues. Hence why, yeah, we have to add this OK unit at the end. That's my current running theory, hypothesis, thing. Okay, it's it is. It currently is. No, it's not really doing anything, and it should not take this long to open a window, so I am almost certain that I do not have quite the right setup here. Yeah, I don't have a window. I have pretty much nothing. So let's try and get at least a window going. Do I need a... I might need this display RON file. Yeah, so I think they used to use like YAML files for their configs. Now they've switched to the Rust object notation for whatever reasons. I don't know. I guess because they liked it better. So I suppose I will have to go and try and figure out how to get the window to pop up. Because I know you can get a window to pop up. I've done it before. That's how Amethyst used to be. Just like it was a lot simpler. It was a simpler time. Yeah, like what, 2 or 3 months ago? But it was still simpler nonetheless. So, key bindings path. I also don't know about this. I don't know how important this is. Yeah, this is new to me. This is probably old-ish now, but yeah, I've never played with RON files. So that's going to be a bit of a thing. Let's see. Yeah, I think I want to look at these files in particular. So let's see what RON looks like. Doesn't really look different from JSON other than like the fact that these are, you know, these are just regular parentheses. They're not curly braces. Oh, this sum is okay. Well, that's definitely like a Rust object, I guess. Yeah, yeah, okay. No, that's fair. It's a slightly more rusty version of JSON. Hence why it's wrong. Oh no, but then here we bring back the curly braces. Where does this one end? This one's just empty. This one starts. Is it just? Oh wait, no, it's right here. Okay, I was like, there's no closing curly brace. What is this syntax? No, there's one. It's right here. I was seeing this as a regular parenthesis, so that's why I was kind of confused. I don't know how important this is, but I definitely will want this for, I guess, adding keyboard. Although it says emulated. Is this for like controller support? Or wouldn't this be the controller one? Yeah, this is definitely controller. Look at this. They even have like dead zones. Like, yeah, this is totally the correct thing to use for controller. So this must be just for regular input. But this one says it updates examples in the book with controller input. Unless it had to split them out like this. Yeah, I could see that. I could definitely see that. Alright, fair enough. So without further ado, let's just steal this. Shamelessly. No, we're gonna have to change it. There's pretty much nothing else I can do about that. So we need to add, what is that one? That one is the display.ron? Yeah. I'll add it later. It'll look like that, except, you know, actually indented. Now, are they picky about spacing? Because this is 2 spaces. I don't want to take any chances, so I would imagine it wouldn't be, since it already is like delimited by commas, but just in case. Wait, isn't there like a cool feature where you can like multi-cursor? I forget. I don't know. Is it like, nope, not that, nope. Okay, never mind. Oh, and that is not what I wanted to do at all. I know there's like some kind of multi-cursor feature, and I probably don't even need to use that here, but I've decided that's what I'm going to do. Whoa! Excuse me, this is not a RS file. Hello. I'm glad I caught that. That's not right. Did I just say create a new Rust file? I might have just done that. That was a mistake. Yeah, that was a mistake. Just call it display.ron. It's not associated with any type. Well, that's because association, let's just go with text. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, and delete. Well, no, before we delete that. Oh, I right clicked. Put in too many inputs. It couldn't handle that. There we go. That's better. Now we can delete this one. We can do a permanent delete. Oh, okay, sure. Cool. I have no problems with that whatsoever. Please delete. Right, we don't want this to be called Pong example. We want it to be called Mini-rando because that's what I'm calling this for now. I'm probably not going to change the name, actually, now that I think about it. I'm probably never going to bother. You can leave these dimensions as they are. Okay, yeah, I'm fine with this. This works. Let's see. Can you not? Why did it decide to do this? Is it when I deleted the file, or when I added these files? Because I don't know why it's trying to scan files to index. Yeah, because I kind of want to run this right now. I could do it through the command line, but I mean, I'm here. I'm right here. Also, this didn't delete. I don't know why. Please delete. Okay. Well, it finished indexing or whatever, at least. I didn't add the display, did I? No, I didn't. I completely screwed up. Nope, that doesn't work. I need to get the display. So I need to go all the way back up to where? Main. So this is the display config path. But where does that display config path go? With the basic renderer. Ah, I see. Got it. Yeah, so we're going to give it a draw flat rendering path, I believe. I think that's what these are. I vaguely remember these. I wrote a bloody, like... I wrote a custom rendering path, like, a while ago. I have the repo for, like, an example of how to do tile maps, so... Yeah, I know what this is, roughly. I just don't exactly remember particularly well right now. I will have to go back and try and update that at some point, I think. Would be nice. Oh yeah, this is a rendering path. It totally is. So we need the display config path. Well, that should be simple enough. Alright, so instead of examples, we're just gonna go straight to resources and look for display.ron. So if I'm not mistaken, I don't know where drawFlat comes from, but it might come from like the renderer package or module. Yeah, it does. Okay, I was not mistaken about that. I remember some parts, just not everything. Ooh, it's not letting me curly brace when I want to indent. That's interesting. Or not indent, when I want to do my I want to do the new fancy syntax, so it won't let me. Whoa, uh-oh. I have other problems. Oh yeah, I have other problems. I think I accidentally changed my keyboard settings somehow. And I don't know how. Oh no, this is not good. Really? Oh god, no, don't press it 3 times. Wait, no, yes, 3 times. 3 times is an odd number, that's fine. That's if it's a toggle, but it's not. Crap. Oh, this is not good. How do I fix this? Shoot. That's okay. I can do this. If that keyboard shortcut still works under these settings. Yeah, it seems to. Oh, don't delete that though. Okay. I think we're fine. Render draw flat. Excel type commas. Commas are fine. Oh dear. Pause text should be okay. Yeah, so pause text is just a thing that contains a position and a texture coordinate, I believe. If I remember correctly. And then there's pause norm text, which contains a normal vector in there as well, which we won't need if we're doing 2D, which I think we are doing 2D. So this should probably be okay. I mean, it's not like you can't have a normal vector. It's just it's kind of pointless to have. You can save yourself a bit of code if you... Oh, you didn't like that. It started, but it certainly didn't really like that. We've got a big old panic here. Not supported. Ooh. Required extension. Not found. Okay, that's different. Yeah, okay, so this might be a Windows-specific dependency thing. Kind of like the Ubuntu one that we ran into earlier. That might be a problem. That's probably a big problem. Yeah. I mean, it could be a lot worse. Although I'm not entirely sure how to solve this. Oh dear. I wonder if I can look this up. Like this entire error message. I'm wondering if I'm actually going to run into any results for this. Nope. But someone else had this error, apparently. They posted it on Pastebin. But that doesn't seem to be like a known issue or anything. That is fascinating. Can we look up this message, maybe? That seems generic enough. Now, someone would have this error, right? Yeah. Okay. Seems like this might be a known issue, actually. With GL profile. Can I set that somewhere? Do I have to set that somewhere? Do they set that anywhere? I'm kind of wondering if I could even run this Pong example. If I wanted to. I might not be able to do that. This might be a Windows problem. Is there anything about Windows here? Well, probably not here, but is there anything about Windows? Oh boy. Oh boy. Just Ubuntu and Fedora, huh? Okay, this seems like a bit of a problem. Yeah, okay, this is definitely a problem. Fun. Fun. Very fun. Okay, well, this is the problem of the day, I guess. Just to rule something out, I'm gonna try something here real quick. Where's my state? I severely, or I guess I highly doubt that this. Oh yeah, so I think I want to change this. Just real quick. Yeah, because what's the point of checking? Well, yeah, I can change this. I definitely know of ways to make this a little bit cleaner. I'm not gonna do it right now though. No, I feel like I'm just gonna get sidetracked. I was gonna try and add the update and whatever methods here. basically do what they were doing here. So I'm just gonna try something like this. I think. Oh well, I'm probably gonna be missing a lot of. Oh yeah, and this is. This. Oh boy. All this. There we go. How about this? Yeah, there we go. I think this is as bare as I can make this. Okay, cannot find event. Event comes from renderer. Okay. Alright, yeah, that's our usual warnings. Yep, okay, we have a problem. It's definitely not this. I mean, it even said it was because I require this extension, but yeah, oh boy. We're gonna have to keep poking around, I guess. This definitely seems like our problem, though. Okay. So this guy tried cloning the repository, testing it. Okay. "11 days ago." Oh, that's pretty recent too. Yikes. Well, this is open. Oh wait, that was in 2015. Okay. This is a problem. I've never had this problem before. Oh. Oh. Okay, so this means that my graphics card and or its drivers are outdated. Okay. I see. So this is for some other project called Pixel. Fascinating. Yeah, I guess. I'm gonna have to update the... I'm gonna have to update the... What was I... What am I updating again? Graphics card / drivers. Yeah. Alright. Before I completely forget absolutely everything... Okay, so what do I need to do? I need to, so the Travis CI thing, I need to try doing another push so I can see that actually kick off, or if it actually kicks off. I need to update my graphics card or drivers or something, I don't know. Try that at least. That pretty much seems like that's the problem. And yeah. I don't see any other way around this. Okay. So I think I'm actually gonna cut things off right here and try and sort out everything that I'm having issues with right now.